Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Lesson Hub. If you're looking for a fun and interactive way to improve reading skills in your ESL classroom, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to play Reading Scavenger Hunt, a fantastic activity that boosts vocabulary, reading comprehension, and teamwork. Let's get started. To play this game, you'll need printed texts, articles, short stories, or passages from textbooks, a list of scavenger hunt items or clues, sticky notes or highlighters, a timer. Here's how to set up the game. Choose a reading passage appropriate for your student's level. Create a scavenger hunt list with words, phrases, or information that students need to find. Divide students into small groups or pairs to encourage collaboration. Hand out the reading materials and the scavenger hunt lists. Now, let's go over how to play. First, after handing out a printed text, teachers set up the timer for 3 to 5 minutes. Students read the passage carefully. Second, students check their scavenger hunt list to see what they need to find. For example, the list might include clues like: find 3 words that start with B, identify 6 nouns, highlight 10 adjectives, find a sentence that contains a question. Then, students scan the passage to find words, phrases, or sentences that match the clues. Once time is up, the teacher goes over the correct answers and explains any tricky ones. And the team that finds all the correct answers first or the most correct answers within the time limit wins. Want to make it even more engaging? Try these variations. Team strategy. Assign different roles within each team. 1 person reads, 1 searches, and 1 writes answers. Creative clues. Use riddles instead of direct questions for a more challenging game. And that's it. Reading Scavenger Hunt is a simple yet effective way to make reading more interactive and enjoyable for ESL students. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative ESL activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.